Hello everybody. Good evening. This is Madhav talking to you. Today I am going to discuss about the steel giant ArcelorMittal, who are the largest steel makers in the world. They have achieved a net loss of 447 million US dollars in the year ago quarter as per company statement. Mr. Mittal said signs of activity picking up, particularly in places where lockdown came to an end. The global steel giant ArcelorMittal have posted today a net loss of 559 million US dollars for the second quarter ending 30th June 2020 in the middle of COVID-19 disruption, mentioning difficult period in the company's history. The largest steel maker in the world has recorded a net loss of 447 million US dollars in the year ago quarter. The company, having the headquarters at Luxembourg, follows January to December as its financial year. The sales in April to June this year were 11 billion US dollars as against 19.3 billion in the corresponding period of previous year. The company's total shipment in the second quarter of current year were 23.7% lower and the value standing at 14.8 million tons, considering major impact and adverse effects of COVID-19 pandemic in all regions. The operating performance in the second quarter of the year 2020 reflects negative impact of COVID-19 pandemic, especially on the steel business. The demand was also reduced to 23.7% sequential reduction in shipments of steel products. The first 6 months of the year, especially the second quarter, are most testing times in the company's history since the demand for steel was in a disarray due to the COVID-19 pandemic, based on the statement by Mr. ArcelorMittal, Chairman and CEO of the company. The group took swift action in protecting employees, assets, profitability and cash flow to make sure the company is strong to counter the challenging period. Comprehensive measures such as production, capital expenditure and fixed costs and raising capital in strengthening the balance sheet are in place. The chairman felt happy that signs of activity picking up where lockdowns have ended, but utmost caution needed. The company is working out on structural changes so that when the demand recovers, it can prosper in the market. If you like this posting, please share it to your friends and relatives, click the bell icon and subscribe. Thank you.